Hi, I'm Mr. Booker, and I'm going to talk to you about how to enroll in the criminal justice internship. The criminal justice internship is a class. It's a class just like any other class. You pay tuition for it. You earn 3 credit hours for it. It's a class. You do the work for it during the semester in which you're registered for the class. It's a class. Applying for an internship is just like applying for a job. You have to contact the agencies that you're interested in working for. Tell them you're a criminal justice student. Tell them that you need to do an internship and ask them, how do I apply for an internship with your agency? Whatever they tell you to do those things. I have a list of agencies that we already have had people interning with. It's a very good list. We've got San Antonio Police Department on there, Bexar County Sheriff's Office on there, Bexar County Juvenile Probation is on there, Bernie Police Department is on there, the U.S. Marshals are on there. We've got interns with the ATF and the DEA. Now, with those federal agencies, those are very competitive internships. They're hard to get, and I can tell you that they already have people selected for their internships for the next year. So if you want to intern with a federal law enforcement agency, you need to contact those agencies early. The ATF and the DEA, they pretty much only take one intern every semester, and we have some other colleges and universities around that have students trying to intern with those agencies as well. So you're not only competing with your own classmates, you're competing with students from those other programs. So contact those programs early. The U.S. Marshals, they take 3 or 4 people a semester, so they generally a little bit more flexible in terms of the time frame. And SAPD, they don't even start taking applications for a semester until about a month before the semester starts. But contact the agencies that you're interested in interning with and ask them what their application requires. Ask them about their time frame. The guy down at Chrysalis Ministries, he just walks you around the building and says, well, what do you think? You still want to do it? Other agencies require your fingerprints. Bexar County Juvenile Probation requires you to sit down with a psychologist. They administer the Minnesota Multiphasic Personality Index. Every agency has their own process. So your job is to find out what does that agency require, and let me do those things. Bexar County Sheriff's Office requires a high school transcript. Some agencies require a letter. They'll say a letter from your advisor or internship coordinator, it's me, saying that you are eligible for the internship program. If you need that letter, it's called an authorization letter, just shoot me an email. When you send me an email, send me your banner ID number. That's the one that begins with a @ sign. It's on the front of your student ID. Send me your banner ID number and tell me what agency you're applying with, and I will send that letter back to you generally within a day or so. So contact the agencies. If you want to intern with an agency that's not on my directory of internship agencies, that's okay. You might have an agency in mind that would be a great internship agency, not just for yourself, but other students as well. It takes some time for us to do the paperwork that is required to form the relationship between the university and that agency. It's got to be signed by all kinds of people. It takes a long time to get that signed, and I'll do that, but it just takes some time. So if you want to intern at an agency that's not on the list, you have to let me know. Also, not every agency is acceptable to our academic program. We need to make sure that internship agencies are going to give you the kind of internship experience that is consistent with the goals of the Criminal Justice Department. And just so everybody knows, we have several private law firms that are already on the list. We're not really looking for any more private law firms at this time. But if you want to intern with a private law firm because you're going to be a lawyer, I would encourage you to think about this. You know, lawyers are champions in this adversarial system that we call our court system. Your lawyer will battle with someone else's lawyer to resolve whatever the issue is, or your lawyer will battle with the prosecutor to defend you from the criminal charges in the arena that we call the courthouse. I would encourage you to think about doing your internship instead of in the locker room where our champions are getting ready for the arena. Do your internship in the arena itself, We have all kinds of relationships. I have someone interning with Judge Rangel this semester. We have people interning with the district attorney's office. We have people interning with the clerk's office, and we have people interning with judges. So think about doing your internship in the arena where the action takes place rather than the locker room where they're just getting ready. Does that make sense? Okay. So once an agency has offered you an internship, get this form filled out. This is the internship information form. Your information goes at the top here. The agency's information goes at the bottom here. There's a place for them to attach a business card. There's a place for them to sign. And when that agency offers you the internship, get that form filled out. Once you've got that form filled out, take a picture or scan it, whatever's easiest, and email it to me. I will check your transcript, and then I will invite you to an internship orientation meeting where I'll give you the syllabus and tell you all about the papers and assignments that I require, tell you about the group meetings and all those things. But for now, the main thing you need to focus on for now is contacting the agencies and applying for an internship with that agency and getting them to offer you an internship. Once they've offered you an internship and this form is filled out, the rest is easy. That's the hard part. So that's what I want you to focus on now. We don't let you register for a class until an agency has offered you an internship. And the way I know an agency has offered you an internship is they filled out that form. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. Shoot me an email, come to my office. I have office hours. Any questions, any help at all, I'm more than happy to answer those questions for you. I'm very easy to get up with. Although I'm busy and I have a lot of meetings and classes and things to go with, I want to help you as much as possible. So shoot me an email and I'll answer your questions. But look at that list of agencies and think about what agency you want to apply with and start that application process. Good luck.